Welcome to this video tour on Microsoft Project 2010. In this quick tour, we are going to be looking at how to display cost and schedule information of a project. In the first half of the video, I will show you how to display cost and schedule information of a project I already saved in my computer. In the second half, we will be creating a new project and try to display cost and schedule information. To open up a saved project, click File tab and click Open. Choose the file and hit the Open button. To display cost information, first click View tab. As you see, this will change the ribbon on the top part of the application window. Then click Tables. This will invoke a drop-down list showing you all the built-in tables. If you select Cost, lower part of the window will display the cost table of your project. The built-in cost table will show you several columns. As you can see, task name, total cost, baseline, variance, etc. If you need more information to be displayed or more columns to be added to this table, first select the column to the right of where you want the new column to be placed by simply clicking the name on the top of the column. Then click Format tab and click Insert Column. Now select whatever information you need from the list. As an example, if you want to display cost variance, what you should do is select cost variance from the list. A new column will appear left to the column you have selected. If you prefer this table view than the built-in one, you can save the table. Click Table and select Save Fields as a new table. You can enter any name and click OK. Here, a field is simply another name for column that MS Project uses. Displaying schedule information is just as easy as the earlier one. Click Tables and select Schedule from the menu. If you can't find schedule on the list, select More Tables. Then, from the More Table dialog box, choose Task and select Schedule. Finally, click Apply. This is the built-in schedule information table of your project. You can customize this view by using the same method described earlier. Let's create a simple project called Test Project. And the three tasks involved are A, B, and C. Now, I will enter duration, start and finish dates, and predecessors for each of the tasks. Let's check cost and schedule tables. Because we entered start and finish dates and duration, we can view the schedule table. But how about the cost table? Is it possible to see the cost information now? The answer is no. Reason is simple. We didn't enter any resource information to Microsoft Project. Let's do that. All the resource information in Microsoft Project goes into a table called Resource Sheet. In order to view the resource sheet, go to View tab and click Resource Sheet. There's also another way you can quickly jump to the resource sheet. Notice the 4 icons next to the zoom slider down at the lower right hand side. If you click on the 4th icon, project will quickly jump to the resource sheet. Now, I will enter the 2 resources we are planning to use in this project. Let's go to the cost table. Still, we can't see anything. That's because we didn't assign resources to each task. I will now assign resources to tasks. Now, Microsoft Project has enough information to calculate the cost involved in each task. Let's view the cost table. As you can see, Project already calculated the total cost for each of the tasks of my project. Let's discuss some more features in this table view. Notice the small arrow on the right side of the name of each column. If you hover over this arrow, you could see what exactly is this column displays, or the definition of the column. For an example, if you hover over Total Slack column, it will show you that the Total Slack field contains the amount of time a task's finish date can be delayed without delaying the project's finish date. If you need more information, you can hit F1 key. This will trigger the related help content. If you click on the arrow, a menu will appear with various options. There are options to sort, group, and to filter. You can use this filter option if you want to see only specific items. You have to be careful with the filter because once you apply a filter, you will not be able to see some of the contents of a particular column, which will confuse you if you are not aware of filters. If a filter is activated, a filter funnel-like icon will appear instead of the arrow on the right side of the name of that particular column. So if you want to see all the contents of a column, make sure no filters are activated. You can always use Clear Filter option from the drop-down menu. The other thing to be aware of is using the Alt key. It is a quick way to navigate around Microsoft Project 2010 via the keyboard. If I hit Alt when I am in this particular window, for example, it brings up various letters that allows me to quickly access certain areas of the application window. In this case, I hit W, and notice that how it quickly jumped into View tab. Then if I hit T, it will focus Table button. And hit A will drop down the table menu, which again you can select any table view using just the keyboard. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching it and hope it may help you better understand Microsoft Project 2010.